Welcome, everyone, to a deep dive into the transformative world of the ketogenic diet and exercise plan. Today, we're exploring an innovative approach that's changing lives every day. Behind this revolutionary plan is a leader in the fitness community, someone who's dedicated their life to helping people achieve their health and fitness goals through science-backed strategies. This plan emphasizes whole, nutrient-dense foods and tailored exercise routines designed to optimize fat burning and enhance overall fitness. This keto plan has completely transformed the way people look at food and exercise. And it's not just about weight loss, it's about feeling healthier and more energized. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health markers, or boost your athletic performance, this plan can help you reach your goals. Now, let's dive deeper into the ketogenic diet and exercise plan, exploring the foods that fuel your body and the workouts that ignite your fitness journey. To kickstart your day, eat a hearty meal that keeps you energized and satisfied. Try eggs cooked in butter with avocado slices, or perhaps a spinach and feta omelet paired with a side of bacon. This gives you a good source of protein and healthy fats that will kickstart your metabolism. For lunch, keep it light yet satisfying. Opt for a Greek salad with grilled salmon or a bunless burger topped with cheese and avocado. These meals are packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you going strong throughout your busy day. For dinner, this is your chance to get creative in the kitchen. Whip up a delicious steak with a side of roasted vegetables, or indulge in zucchini noodles smothered in creamy Alfredo sauce. These meals are not only delicious, but also perfectly keto-friendly. Another key component of this diet is to stay hydrated with keto-approved drinks like sparkling water with a twist of lemon or unsweetened almond milk in your morning coffee. Remember to avoid sugary beverages and opt for water or other low-carb options instead. And when hunger strikes between meals, reach for keto-friendly snacks like nuts, cheese, or celery sticks with almond butter. These options are convenient, satisfying, and keep you on track with your keto goals. Now, let's talk fitness. You don't need fancy equipment or hours in the gym to stay active. Simple bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges can be done anywhere, anytime. Add in some jogging or yoga for a well-rounded workout routine that boosts your metabolism and burns fat. Here are some doctors who have chimed in on what this diet can do for you. Dr. Sarah Hallberg. The ketogenic diet has shown promising results in weight loss and improving metabolic health. When done correctly, it can be a powerful tool for achieving long-term success. And Dr. Dominic D'Agostino. The ketogenic diet offers unique metabolic benefits, including enhanced fat burning and improved insulin sensitivity. It's not just a fad, it's a scientifically proven approach to better health. And remember, your health is the ultimate form of self-love and self-care. By prioritizing your well-being, you embark on a journey of transformation that touches every aspect of your life. So embrace the power of health and let it guide you on a path of joy, vitality, and fulfillment. This health and weight loss journey will bring vibrant energy. Just picture yourself waking up each morning with boundless energy, ready to tackle the day ahead. And when you prioritize your health, you unlock a reservoir of vitality that fuels every aspect of your life. From chasing your dreams to enjoying simple moments with loved ones, vibrant energy empowers you to make the most of each day. It will also bring joyful living. Imagine your life filled with joy, laughter, and a deep sense of contentment. By prioritizing your health, it will cultivate a positive mindset that radiates throughout your life. You'll find yourself embracing each moment with gratitude, finding beauty in the smallest of things, and experiencing a profound sense of fulfillment in everything you do. This diet will bring empowered well-being, meaning your health is your greatest asset, empowering you to live life on your own terms. When you prioritize your health, you take control of your well-being, ensuring that you can thrive both now and in the future. Whether it's pursuing your passions, exploring new adventures, or simply enjoying peace of mind, optimal health gives you the freedom to live life to the fullest. Another thing that is not often talked about is resilient immunity. Getting healthy and fit creates a strong and resilient immune system. This is your body's first line of defense against illness and disease. This will bolster your immune system, equipping your body with the tools it needs to ward off infections, heal more quickly, and maintain optimal function. With a robust immune system by your side, you can navigate life's challenges with confidence and resilience. In addition, you can gain true confidence that will radiate from within, reflecting your inner strength, resilience, and self-assurance. You will cultivate a deep sense of confidence that shines through in every aspect of your life. So, whether it's achieving your goals, stepping out of your comfort zone, or embracing your true self, radiant confidence empowers you to embrace life with courage and conviction. And last but not least, longevity and vitality. We all dream of living a long, fulfilling life filled with vitality and purpose. If you invest in your future, you're laying the foundation for a lifetime of well-being and vitality. By nourishing your body, mind, and spirit, you can enjoy the gift of longevity, savoring each precious moment and creating lasting memories for generations to come. Your future self will thank you for it. So, in retrospect, the ketogenic diet and exercise plan offers a sustainable way to achieve your health and fitness goals. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods and staying active with regular exercise, you can unlock the transformative power of keto and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle? Join us on this journey, and together, let's make your health and fitness goals a reality with the ketogenic diet and exercise plan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this informative, and be sure to check the description of this video for keto recipe books and supplements that will help enhance your health journey.